everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do a Christmas check nail with a little bit of gold foil. So I'm going to do a base coat of butterscotch. It's lovely, that colour.
It's pretty, like, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not one you would usually pick up, is it? Pop that in the lamp. And then on our palette we've got Old Soul and Fizzy Cola. So we will take the darker one first. And we'll just do some squares. Pop that in the lamp. Then we're going to take Snow White. Do some lines. 003 brush is really good for the lines.
Looks like a swan, that Snow White on that palette there.
It does.
It looks like an actual swan.
Oh yeah, it does. I'll be able to do that again, will I? Kill that for me, Ella. Then with our Fizzy Cola, we're going to do another line down the opposite side. Across the centre. Oh, I love these colours. Pop that in. We're going to use a bit of foil glue. Now just paint it all over the nail, very thin. There you go. And we're going to take some bits of gold leaf and just randomly dot them about. Just tiny pieces. It's just easier to use foil glue when you're using gold leaf because it just sticks better and you can separate it. Mess about with it a bit. think that's enough. Doesn't need to be cured.
Oh shit.
I'll just finish this off with some top coat.
That's really pretty, that.
It's very autumnal, isn't it?
Mm. I love the coffee colours.
Put that back in the lamp. Oh, I do. You're getting that?
I'm getting that.
I'll finish this off with some watermelon top coat, cuticle oil, sorry.
What am I
You-
doing with the lamp?
Why don't you just keep your hand in the lamp if you're comfortable with that?
Go on, get it back in.
Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other Christmas designs you would like to see, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.